Have you ever felt as though you had reached your absolute limit, with the road ahead completely hidden by mist? You've been climbing for so long, and your strength is fading, leaving you questioning every choice you have ever made. The summit you once dreamed of now seems impossible to reach, hidden behind thick clouds that appear to mock your smallest efforts. Every step forward feels like a battle against an invisible force determined to push you back into the shadows. In these moments of silence, the whispers of doubt become the loudest, telling you that it is okay to quit. You look at yourself and wonder if you ever had what it takes to reach the greatness you once imagined. But greatness is not a gift reserved for the lucky. It is a prize forged in the fire of persistent struggle. Every wall you encounter is not there to stop you, but to test how deeply you truly want your goal. Think of the seed that must push through the cold, hard earth for weeks before it ever sees the sun. Most people stop only a few feet from the goal, never realizing how close they were to the finish line. Your progress may feel slow, almost invisible, but as long as you keep moving, you're still winning the war. Persistence is the quiet voice at the end of the day saying, "I will try again tomorrow, no matter what." The wind may howl and the storms may rage, but they are only temporary visitors on your lifelong journey. Do not fear the passing of time. Fear allowing your potential to pass unexplored. Every setback is another hammer blow, shaping you into someone stronger, sharper, and far more resilient than before. The easiest path leads to a place you've already been, but the hardest path leads to where you belong. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the realization that something else is much more important than fear. Sometimes you must work in the dark for a long time before you see even a single spark. But when that spark finally catches fire, it will illuminate everything you have worked toward for all these years. Your burden is not proof of failure. It is the weight of the destiny you are learning to carry. Confusion can be a sign that your mind is reorganizing itself to face a greater challenge and a new level of understanding. Winter does not last forever, and neither will this season of struggle. As long as you refuse to quit, when you cannot find a reason to feel hopeful, you must become the reason for hope yourself. The universe is vast, and your current problem is small within it, even if it feels like your entire world right now. Focus on the small beauty around you, and you will find the strength to endure the greater hardships ahead. Your power is locked inside your perseverance. Keep pulling, keep trying, and eventually the breakthrough will come. If the old way is broken, do not mourn the ruins forever. Begin building a new path, stone by stone. Knowledge and wisdom belong to those willing to reach a little higher than everyone else. Regret is a thief that steals the present. Stop staring at what was and begin focusing on what is. Every action you take today is a seed for a harvest you will reap in a season you cannot yet see. Deep within you is a version of yourself that has already succeeded. You must begin aligning your actions with that vision. The path to paradise often passes through a thicket of thorns. Keep moving, because the scratches will eventually heal. Let your passion be the fire that keeps you warm when the world around you feels cold and indifferent. Daring to dream is the first step. Daring to endure is the final step toward making that dream real. You can build a throne out of the very stones that were thrown at you to knock you down. The bird does not fear the branch breaking because its trust is not in the branch, but in its wings. It is okay to rest. It is okay to feel tired, but it is never okay to surrender your future. Write your goals in stone and your doubts in sand. Let the tide carry those doubts away. Do not dim your light simply because others choose to live in darkness. Your light is part of your true power. Listen to the inner compass of your heart when the voices of the world attempt to lead you astray. Every heavy weight you carry is building the strength you will need to hold the success that is coming. Even the smallest effort applied consistently can eventually break through the greatest barriers in your path. Each step may feel insignificant, but when you look back, you will realize how far you have truly traveled. Align yourself with the light, and the shadows of your past will naturally fall behind you. Silence is not empty. It is filled with the answers you have been seeking. You only need to listen. The final push is often the hardest because it is the one that can change everything forever. You were not born to be a spectator. You were born to be the main character of your story. Greatness is simply a series of small, ordinary tasks performed with extraordinary dedication and heart. You're walking in the footsteps of giants who also wanted to quit, but chose to keep moving instead. The view from the top is beautiful precisely because of the climb you endured to reach it. When you trust the process, the path will eventually begin to reveal itself more clearly. Success is often a quiet whisper that you can hear only when you refuse to be consumed by the noise. Your inner fire is strong enough to melt even the coldest circumstances, as long as you keep it burning. Comparison is the thief of joy. Your timing is unique and belongs to your particular journey. You're not merely working, you are creating a masterpiece. Every struggle is a chisel mark shaping your true character. The storm did not come to destroy you, but to clear the air for the beauty that follows. Even in the deepest darkness, you carry your own light. Do not forget to look within. The world is noisy, but your purpose is specific. Do not lose yourself in the lives of others. You are made of the same stardust as the giants of history. Your potential is greater than you currently realize. Every new day is another opportunity to decide that today will not be the day you quit. The power you have been searching for has been within you all along. You only needed to believe enough to use it. The door to your dreams is heavy, but it is not locked. It simply requires your full weight to open. Extraordinary things happen when you refuse to give up, even when the world tells you that success is impossible. Protect your vision like a precious flame. Do not let the winds of criticism blow it out. Your perspective shapes your reality. Choose to see possibilities instead of the limitations that hold others back. If there is no path forward, you have the power to create one through your actions. Growth is not only about reaching for the sky, it is also about grounding yourself in your deepest values. The journey itself is part of the reward. Do not become so focused on the destination that you miss its beauty. Let your efforts flow like a river. Even the hardest rocks are eventually shaped by persistent water. Peace comes to those who know they have given the world their absolute best today. Every ending is also a new beginning. Do not be afraid to step into the unknown. Small joys are the fuel behind great dreams. Never ignore the little things that make you smile. Your struggle is refining you into something as precious and strong as a diamond formed in darkness. The true direction of your life is found by looking into the deepest part of your own soul. Even in the rain, you can find peace when you learn to carry it within yourself. The fruits of your labor are growing, even if you cannot yet see them on the branches. From a higher perspective, your problems become small, manageable pieces of a much larger and more beautiful design. Every small success is a flower in the garden of your life. Nurture it with daily gratitude. The light at the end of the tunnel is not another threat. It is the life you have worked to earn. Love yourself enough to keep moving when life becomes difficult. You are worth every bit of the effort. Time flows like a river, and you are the captain of your own boat. Steer it with courage today. A new day brings new strength and new thoughts. Welcome the morning with a heart full of hope. The ocean is vast, yet it is made of individual drops of water. In the same way, your life is made of moments. The wisdom of the ages is available to those who seek it with an open and humble heart. Transformation is a process that requires patience. The caterpillar must wait before it can become a butterfly. The goal is within sight. Do not let the remaining distance discourage you from taking the next necessary step. You are part of the light in this world. Shine brightly and do not be afraid. Happiness is often found in simple things. Take time to appreciate the beauty surrounding you. Life is a journey of discovery. Explore it with an open heart and a curious mind. Your dreams are like stars. They may seem far away, but they can still guide you home. Life is a flow of energy. Move with that flow and allow it to carry you forward. Love is one of the most powerful forces in the universe. Let it guide your actions and thoughts. The earth is filled with wonder. You only need to be willing to notice it. Every new day is a gift. Use it to make the world a brighter and better place. You are part of something infinite. Your life carries meaning, purpose, and great value. The universe is your home. Explore it with wonder and a genuine sense of adventure. Beauty surrounds us. We simply need to slow down long enough to notice and appreciate it. Life is a journey of growth. Embrace the process, allow yourself to bloom, and keep reaching higher. You are never truly alone. Life continues to guide you along your unique journey. Love can answer questions that logic cannot. Let it fill your heart and soul today. The breakthrough you have been waiting for is beginning in this very moment. You have made it through. You persevered in the darkness and finally found the light. You are more powerful than you once imagined. Believe in yourself and in the light you carry. The view from the top is beautiful. You have earned every part of this extraordinary moment. Rest now and appreciate the fruits of your labor. You have done something truly meaningful. The world is a better place because you are part of it. Never forget your worth. Love is the light that guides us home. Allow it to fill your heart and soul. You are part of the miracle of life. Embrace your journey with an open heart. The light is within you. Let it shine brightly and never be afraid to be yourself. You are beautiful and you are loved. Never forget your extraordinary value and worth. The journey was difficult, but it was worthwhile. At last, you have found your way home. You have found your peace. Stay in this moment and allow it to fill your soul. The future is bright and filled with possibility. Always meet it with an open heart. Love is the light that guides us. Let it lead you along your beautiful journey. The miracle is here. You have finally found the beauty and light waiting at the end. You are part of an infinite light. Your journey is beautiful, meaningful, and entirely your own. You have found your true self. Believe in your own light and your own strength. The view is incredible. You have earned every part of this moment of genuine success. You have found your way. Enjoy the peace and light you worked so hard to reach. The miracle created by your persistence has finally arrived, and the world is now yours to explore. Thank you for walking with us through the peaks and valleys of this journey of discipline. If this message spoke to your heart, remember that every small step you take today matters. Remember that every small step you take today is shaping the person you will become tomorrow. Subscribe to Soul's Journey Light Path, and let us continue this journey toward greatness together. Until next time, take care of yourself and never stop believing in the light within you. Your light is unique, your path belongs to you, and your future is brighter than you know. Keep going, keep growing, and never, ever give up on the miracle that is you.